Kasia, say hello to everybody in Minnesota. Kasia, you look stunned.
Show everybody where you... Kasia?
Kasia.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose? Good job.
Where's your ear?
Where's your ear? Good girl.
Where's your tummy?
There it is. Where's your foot? Good job. How big is Kasia? So big. Yay. So big. All right. Say goodbye, everybody in Minnesota, aunts and uncles and cousins and grandma. We love you. And hi, Grandma, Grandpa. Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. You're not going to say hi. You. Aha, there's a smile at least for him.